I've been going to the Orlando theme parks pretty much all of my life with an annual pass. And one thing that people don't realize when they go to the theme parks is they're going to need a way to recharge their battery. They may think that they're going to go to the parks and not use their phone that much, but that's not the case. You need your phone for pretty much everything. If you want to check how long the line is, you have to use your phone. If you want to order food, most of the time mobile ordering is going to be your best way. You have to use your phone for that. And then when you're in Florida and you have that heat buildup, that's going to put a drain on your battery even more. Not to mention the fact that you're gonna have to turn your brightness to 100 and still strain to see your screen because you are out in that Florida sun. You don't have to be at a theme park to use these, but once you get there, that's when the magic shines. All the Disney theme park locations in Florida have kiosks where you can trade these in. Let's open this up. So this is a 2-pack kit, which is going to be nice if you have a family or a significant other. Make sure you download the app so you can get your points so you can redeem these. What's really nice is that they give you all the adapters you're going to need. Almost all new phones are going to be using this USB-C to USB-C since this is a USB-C on the fuel rod. But just in case, you do have your iPhone Lightning, you have your micro USB, and then this is a USB A to C adapter if you need that for any reason. The fact that you can check your battery is really nice on such a small compact thing. You know, it's already nice that they give you this case if you need to bring this because you have people with several different types of phones in your family. But if not, and you know the adapter you're going to need, just bring these along, put this in your pocket, and then don't worry about your phone's charge when you're out and about because you can just throw this in your pocket and charge with it. You can even hold it like this, and then that way you can still use your phone while you're charging. So going to the theme parks that offer the availability to swap out is definitely going to be way better than getting a power bank that once it's depleted, you're out of a charge. But then if you get a power bank that's so big and you're not going to need to recharge it, well, then you're carrying around something super heavy. Instead, just pick up one of these.